Welcome to Sparring Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today's lesson, the sparring workout plus the conditioning. Let's go! Welcome back. Cannot wait to see you again for this new lesson. So, the basics is very important. Just like you build a building, you make sure your foundation are strong and not falling apart when you build your building higher and higher. It's same like wushu kung fu basics. If you do your technique wrong, you don't have a good basics, you might get injured one day. For me to do the right technique with kung fu wushu basics plus the conditioning. The conditioning just like the material you're using, how to build your building. Conditioning to support your muscle quality to be strong, and you can have the fast speed, you can have explosive power. Your kung fu wushu fight are the forms. Let's go! 20 times jumping down. Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great work. 8 times squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. Okay, let's cut on guard position. Your right hand under your chin, your left hand on front. So make a small step and follow. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and step back your right and go back your left. 1, 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Back, 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 and back. Go 1, 1, 1. Step back. Right hand, right hand, right hand, left hand, left hand, left hand, right hand, right hand, right hand. Now do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Front. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Step back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Both hands cross together. And this way. So you go twist your left and twist your right. Your body just rotate a little bit and follow. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And step back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, left. Hook. 1, step, 2, step. 1, 2, 1, 2. Step back. Right, left, right, left, right, left, left, left. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. More power. Go back. Power. 6. Small. 1. And strong. 1, 2, and 1, and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Step left, low. Step left, low, left, high. Step, up, step, up, step, down, up, step down, up, step down, up, step forward, and up, go low, and up, go low, and up, go low, and up, go low, and up. So 1, 2, jump back and quick back and come back. So we go 1, 2 and we go jump back and boom, tap. Good work. So much. So we go 1, 2, jump back and boom. Strong pass cross like that. Okay, again go 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and come back. 1, 2, 3 and 5 and come back. 1, 2, 3 and come back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Come back. 1, 2, 3 and come back. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 2, grab. 1, 2, 2, grab. Come back. 1, 2, 3, boom. Come back. 1, 2, 3, boom. Come back. 1, 2, 3, boom. Come back. 1, 2, 3, hold. Left up. 1, 2, 3, boom. So get ready to step like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Step back. 1, 2. Your right hand. 2 and 3 and 4. Good. Go back and go step left. Go hook and 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 hook. Step your left. Front low. Up and up and up and up and uppercut and uppercut and left and right and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, these swings 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 seconds right now and then we come back. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, and 19, and 18, and 17, and 16, and 15, and 20, and 13, and 12, and 11, and 10, and 9, and 8, and 7, and 6, and 5, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. We'll come back. Hip hop training. Let's go. To go 1 and 2 and come back and same 1 and low kick and come back. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shoot, 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 shoot. Right, and back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way. So you're gonna go low kick, boom, and come back. And you go high kick, come back. And low. 1 and 2 and kick. So 1 and 2. Go. 1, 2, 2, 2. Go. 1, 2, boom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Go. 1, 2. Left. Go. Hold. Body kick. Boom. We're there. Great. Let's go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right back. Low kick. High kick. Hook. Slash. Great work. Go. Lift. Cut. 1, 2, turn. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Still more. Go. Go. Cut. Boom. Boom. One more. Go. Sit. 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 One more. Work. Boom. 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 Alright, the last part is the fun part. It's a free sparring. What you know or what you don't know you like to try, you can just try it for 1 minute. Let's have fun. all for today. If you swipe and you have fun, please leave your comment down below. I love you all. I see you in next video. And bye bye.